Jamaica, wake up. Look what's happening in the country. Pure fire, abandon Jamaica. Warship dock in our port. And I check my neighbor. So them go fire airstrike over there on Cuba. See? I remember our Prime Minister sign off on all of them things because he take the people their money. He take the people how much money. So he have to sign off on all of them things here. And the real reason why I'm doing it is because if him don't, they would have bring charges against him for all of the corruption with them know say him been dealing in it. So here we go on. Remember, Jamaica was going to be a part of the BRICS as con to them. All of a sudden now, Jamaica is allied with America because America have Andrew right where them BloodClaath want him. You think it's a coincidence? Right? When you see all of them thing there, light at Jamaica, and the place I get burned down. And the same thing them do America and California. And I talk about brush fire, where them use a drone and light the BloodClaath place. So, when you see the fire there with Jamaica, it's not a coincidence. Jamaica don't have limestone and all of them thing there. And we don't have a desert like California. Where you see the sun hot, where to ignite limestone and all kind of thing. So, that fire we want to see. And them start the fire. And Andrew and them friend them start the fire. And people wake up. The blackout want to see a go on. And because them start move a whole heap of things around in Jamaica. Maybe the Isle and the rest of resources of Jamaica. But you see the whole place blackout because I see a chain just a while ago on a video. Right? And the people them there. The people them there. Right. The people them there right on the BloodClaath line. I wait for all long before the train pass. So you must know how long that train there is. I have a whole heap of tank on it. And an oil tank of them there. So if Jamaica not an oil, and we not a gas, what all of that big long chain there with oil tanker do at Jamaica? Eh? And you know say you take BloodClaath Jamaican for fool, and then everybody want people to show you respect and you not show Jamaican people respect. Eh? What kind of respect you want people to show you? And come to you on some respectable manner when you don't show the people them no respect or treat Jamaican people with respect. Jamaican people no better wake up because it's too late. Global Watch Media. Tell a friend to tell a friend away again. Boom, boom, boom.